Today's Fall Forestry and Wildlife Field Tour is going to be in Bland County, located specifically in the Bastion community area of Bland County. We've got a variety of landowners to look and see what's being done as far as forest management and wildlife management is concerned in Bland, and then they can take home some ideas about how to do some management on their property.
Where we're standing is a clear cut that was done in 2003.
We're going to start off the day with a visit to Demeter Tree Farm. We're going to go visit the Sargent family and learn about their management of their property. They've been doing a variety of timber management on their wooded acres. We're going to look at some white pine management. We're going to also talk about hardwood management, talking about some of the challenges associated with that. And we're also going to look at some sites that had some past harvesting. After lunch, we're going to go visit some sites in the National Forest System. We're going to go look at an area that has had prescribed burning done 2 times in the past decade to talk about how prescribed fire on the landscape can help manage the vegetation, can help improve wildlife habitat by encouraging tree sprouts and stump sprouts to get improved wildlife habitat and some regeneration in the forest. Then we're going to look at another site that is currently being harvested in the forest. It's a regeneration harvest with leaving some trees on the site to produce wildlife mast and food for wildlife habitat. Then at the end of the day, we're going to go over and look at a firewood processing. We're going to visit Bradshaw Firewood and learn about their firewood processing business, watch low-grade logs be processed into firewood, and learn about his operations.
Private individuals and families own over 2/3 of all of our forests in Virginia. We want the people who own those forests to take care of them, to make sure they're healthy, make sure they're productive, so that we can all benefit from them, both environmentally and economically. It's one thing to sit in a classroom and see PowerPoint slides and pictures of forest management practices. It's a very different experience to be out in the woods and see them. We use the research that we generate in the Department of Forest Resources and Environmental Conservation and the College of Natural Resources and Environment. All the information that our scientists are developing there, that gets funneled down into my programs and then to our forest landowners. So it's a good way to get the science to the people who can actually use it, and in an applied way, not in peer-reviewed journal publications, but in things that they can actually do on the ground.